Nearly a month ago, I went to my aunt's home to celebrate my aunt's birthday. That trip allowed me to use my imagination and plan things ahead for my astrophotography in case I get my chance to photograph the night sky there. Since the area is a bit more open than in my home, I have more opportunities there in terms of landscape astrophotography. It was also during that time that I created these amazing images of certain objects in my aunt's home since the photography side of my persona just went haywire. It's one of my wishes to photograph the night sky there for a long time using my DSLR, considering it's in darker skies, and there are way less houses around. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'll be going to my aunt's home again to celebrate my aunt's birthday, which will happen tomorrow. But I'm gonna go to my aunt's home today and spend a night there so that we will go to a beach resort early tomorrow morning called Costa Bella Beach Resort. But we will not be doing an overnight stay there because we are gonna spend that money for an overnight stay in a beach resort in Catmon in northern Cebu. Although some of my aunts will still spend an overnight stay in this Costa Bella Beach Resort that we're gonna go to tomorrow, but as for me and my other aunts, they will not. That is actually quite expensive too. And so in the meantime, while I'm in my aunt's home tonight, I will also try to photograph the night sky, as well as celebrate my aunt's birthday tomorrow. And although the weather forecast itself yet again doesn't really look that good, because it indicates it's going to be cloudy skies tonight, and right now it just recently rained, so I'm not really having my hopes high up this time, but I'm still gonna have to take advantage of this opportunity because it doesn't come all the time. Besides, that place there in my aunt's home is way more open and at the same time has dark skies, although not that dark as from my home. But that is still an opportunity that I don't want to waste. And if the skies do clear out, there will be a moon, a waning gibbous moon. There's around 90% illumination. It's gonna rise up in the early evening, so there is that too that I'll have to take care of. So in the meantime, I'm gonna have to go upstairs again, eat my breakfast, and prepare the things that I need to have to go to my aunt's home. So same thing as usual, I'm gonna bring my DSLR camera as well as my tripod, and besides those, nothing else. So I'm just gonna have to leave my dog to my parents right now while I'm away. His name is Max, by the way, I just got the name from the internet, and for sure I will miss him while I'm away. But it will not be for that long. So if I don't capture anything from the night sky tonight, then I will not be posting this vlog. But if for some reason I manage to post this vlog, then that means I managed to capture something. Okay, so we are now finally here in my aunt's home, and I am now currently waiting for nightfall itself to come, and the sky itself seems to be quite clear right now, although it's partly cloudy. But hopefully tonight it's not going to be overcast or mostly cloudy, that it will prevent me from capturing anything in the night sky. And so we also went to Cebu City, hence why you see some clips in this video with Cebu City in it, because we fetched my mother from Cebu. So pretty much this is where I'll be photographing the night sky, because this is the most open area that I can find in my aunt's home. And that there is to the north, and Ursa Major will be directly over there, so I'll have a clear line of sight of Ursa Major. That's if those clouds there disappear. And if we go here, that there is to the south, and the Milky Way, the galactic core of the Milky Way galaxy will rise somewhere along here, and around 8:22 p.m. the moon rises somewhere along there. So I will have a small window of time to photograph the galactic core of the Milky Way galaxy. That's if the weather permits. And it's already 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and I've already unpacked my things, and I'm now excited to see what tonight has to offer. Okay, so it's already 7:32 in the evening, and I'm already starting to photograph the night sky right now, and I am holding my headlamp in my right arm right now because it's just way too dark and my face cannot be seen by my own camera. And the Milky Way is also already up, but of course I can't see because I'm currently in border class 5 skies and it's still quite low to the horizon. And I'm currently photographing a star field with my DSLR camera. So, and luckily though, it's not really that cloudy, it's clear skies, although some clouds are coming, but they're not that big, so I'm looking forward to the images I can create. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but there is Ursa Major there. And it's actually very clear skies right now. But it's so dark that my camera could barely even see anything. But the Milky Way galaxy is somewhere over there. It just simply goes to show how dark this place is. When all the lights are, well, most of the lights are off. If only I had a camera that is better at low light. So this is one of the images that I managed to create, and it's just a star field that I plan to add as a composite. I can't really wait to start processing this thing.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I've already taken some exposures to the Milky Way galaxy, and here is the Milky Way galaxy. But if I move forward, as you can see, the clouds just literally covered the Milky Way. These are some big clouds here, as well as fast-moving ones. So I'm gonna have to wait again. So yeah, pretty much, I wasn't able to capture the galactic core of the Milky Way properly during that time. Not even Ursa Major itself, since the clouds just constantly got in the way. I waited for quite a long time just for the clouds to disappear, but they never did. So I had to call it a night afterward. As a result, I compensated for the missed opportunity to properly capture the galactic core of the Milky Way by making a composite photo of what it would have looked like. I captured the Milky Way again in my home the following night and blended it with a foreground while making it look as real as possible. So far, I think this is one of the best Milky Way composites I've ever made. Other than that, I also created this selfie with the Milky Way core while I was in my aunt's home. Much like the previous one, this image is also a composite. I intentionally made the background blurry to create a sort of bokeh effect so that the attention is on me. The last image I created during that night is this composite image of a bunch of stars behind a tree in my aunt's home. Unlike the previous composites involving the Milky Way, this one is the most accurate composite so far, since this is exactly what it would have looked like when viewed from this angle. If only the clouds cleared out while I was in my aunt's home, then there would have been no need to create the composites involving the Milky Way in the first place. And I would have also been able to capture Ursa Major, but that's not what happened. The moon also rose up later on in the evening, but it was not a good sight due to clouds again. So yeah, we went to Costa Bella Beach Resort the following morning to celebrate my aunt's birthday. I constantly had second thoughts about spending an overnight stay there, since if I did, then the chances that we will go ahead with the overnight stay in a beach resort in Catmon will be even less. However, I regretted my decision every time I look back at it, especially while I'm editing this video. Of course, I had a good time in Costa Bella in the morning by bathing in the ocean and in the swimming pools. The night there was such a wasted opportunity though. Despite the weather forecast saying that it's going to be cloudy skies during that time, the night sky was so clear even after I arrived home. I mean, just look at this footage I took in the beach resort before I went home. There was not a single cloud visible, and I had a clear line of sight of the Milky Way. I was also able to see Venus for the first time after many months, since there weren't a lot of obstructions in the way. If only I could travel back in time and persuade my younger self to make a different choice, then maybe I could have made better memories there. This vlog would be longer, and I won't hate myself for what I did that time. Maybe soon, I'll be lucky next time, and I'll make sure that I will not miss the next big opportunity I can get my hands on. That trip to and from Costa Bella was full of bad things happening here and there, all stemming from one decision I made not to spend an overnight stay in the resort. However, at least my aunt was able to enjoy her time there. The images I took in my aunt's home were a way for me to compensate for the missed opportunity. Aside from those, these are the daytime images I took there, to make the most out of the time I had left before going home. Of course, none of these images can really make up for the missed opportunities, but if you want to see more of these images, please do follow me on Instagram in the description down below. Despite not spending an overnight stay in Costa Bella, I can already say from my whole day stay there that it is a good place to spend your vacation in Lapu-Lapu City. Also, based on what my aunt said, things have improved there since the last time they visited many years ago, which also makes this one of the good vacation spots in Lapu-Lapu City itself. And I am simply speaking from experience, and I'm not in partnership with anyone or anything here. The same thing goes for all the previous vlogs I made on this channel where I traveled to different beach resorts. Also, by the way, shouts out to a good friend of mine named Maria Colinares for helping me make this video possible. Okay guys, so this is now pretty much the end of the vlog, and I'm now literally full of regret because look at the sky right now. It's very clear and the Milky Way will be somewhere right over there. But I will not be spending an overnight stay here, so I won't be able to photograph the Milky Way galaxy, which is why I'm full of regret right now. But maybe I can just do this thing next time. So if you're planning to enjoy the night sky anytime soon, I wish you good luck and clear skies.